2018 Genesis Supreme Genesis 37Gs for sale in Murray, Utah 84123. If you are seeking first-class residential living right on the campsite, then look no further, because this 2018 Genesis Supreme Genesis 37Gs is perfect for you. This toy hauler RV is 37 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that offers 2 slide-outs, 1 large awning with LED lighting, and sleep accommodations for up to 8 guests. You can easily make lasting memories with loved ones and friends, because this luxury unit is ready to make all of your camping dreams come true. Hit the road with minimal effort, because this toy hauler offers the convenience of a leveling jack system, 21.11-foot garage for toys, and plenty of storage both inside and out. Get ready to experience your next home away from home. This thing is the Cadillac of your toy haulers. It is fully loaded and ready to go. Some of its impressive advantages include great cooking area with Corian-type countertops with built-in LED lighting, 3-burner stove, oven, large microwave refrigerator / freezer, large double kitchen sink, ceiling fan in the kitchen. Dinette folds out to a queen bed, 4 flat-screen televisions throughout. 1 upgraded to smart TV, full sound system DVD / CD / stereo. Sofa folds out to full-size bed, large bathroom with shower, toilet and SinkMaster King Size bed, full-size master closet / DresserMaster Electric Fireplace. 2111 garage space, rear ramp, PatioDual queen beds, patio lights, ramp lights, security lights, as well as interior lights are all LEDFull. Fuel station to fuel all your ToysFully solar 2000W inverter, 5500 watt onboard Cummins Onan generator, and so much more. This 2018 Genesis Supreme Genesis 37Gs has been meticulously maintained. This toy hauler is perfectly suited for anyone looking to make their traveling dreams a reality, because it is priced to sell. Call today for more information on how you can take advantage of this impressive 2018 Genesis Supreme Genesis 37Gs.